Hello, it's 8 a.m. in the morning and it's so cold here in Karachi. And right now, I'm on off day from office, and here's a book called Dodged Anxiety by Nawaz Malik. And it's so interesting that I'm unable to skip it today and just woke up in the morning and reading it. So let me tell you something about the book. It's called Dodged Anxiety. This is the title page. Anxiety is basically the combination of depression and anxiety. Here is the writer name Nawaz Akram Malik. He's a brilliant person, and I've communicated with him on Facebook as well, and he gave me this soft copy of the book. Okay, so this is the table of contents. Now, right now, I am on this, the sun and four clouds. It's about reaching the half of the book, and uh, uh, the book is such that if you start reading, it's so catchy and it's so uh, very easy reading. Like there's a difference when you read an author from West, and there's a difference when you read uh, um, Robin Sharma. So um, I can say that his writing style is similar to Robin Sharma. It's very easy and very catchy and very very understanding. And apart from the scientific reasoning, he's also added some verses from Quran, and I'm really impressed to see this. So I have done reading the book, and first of all, thank you very much, Mr. Nawaz, for providing me this book. So I can summarize overall book in few points. Like number one, this book is the handbook of mental health, and it's tell you about the basics of mental health. What is anxiety? What is depression? And how to cure it. Number two, this is not a book but a complete workshop. In end of each section, there is a provision where you can actually do an activity in order to gauge what is the level of your mental health, and then in the next step, the books guide you how to cure it. Number three, the language is very easy. Being a non-English speaker, being a having a mother tongue as Urdu, I always find difficult to read and understand the books written by the Western writers. But the way Nawaz is describing everything is easily digestible for every person. It's so easy that you can easily digest it. So once again, thank you very much, Nawaz, and to this is a message to all to everyone who is watching this video. This book is highly recommended if you are into mental health, or if you want to know about how to be a successful person, how to cure yourself, and how to make your mind strong. This is a book to read. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.